Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tiger's Heart. Is Ssangyong KGM TORRES the most spacious SUV in its class? Because when I put the rear seats down, the amount of space that I got is just simply unbelievable. This is the 1.5 GDI petrol version. And this is how much space you get with the rear seats folded down. It is simply unbelievable. It's just so spacious. I can't believe it. I can fit an IKEA sofa and best a TV bench here when they are in cardboard boxes. When I put rear seats down, it looks simply huge. You have this massive, like almost 2 meters long boot, which is just, again, unbelievable for a car in this class, much better than some well-known European or Japanese rivals. If you are looking for a car that has a lot of space, a lot of practicality, then this car, the Ssangyong TORRES, I highly recommend it. So what sets the Ssangyong KGM TORRES apart from its competitors? For one, its boot space is remarkably versatile. Not only is it spacious, but it's also well designed with a low loading lip and a flat floor. This makes it easy to load and unload gear, even for those with mobility issues. Additionally, the Ssangyong KGM TORRES offers a range of configurations to suit different needs. Whether you're hauling large items or just need a bit of extra room, there's a configuration to suit. I'm really glad you stopped by to hang out with us today. If you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button. Catch you next time. See you later, friends.